Hey, Janell here. I'm getting ready to go to town. I have an appointment that I'm driving my mom to. Town is about an hour's drive away on good roads. Today is a stormy day. I'm going to talk to you about something that's very real to me right now, and I think we all face it. And it's about following our intuitive guidance. There's a couple principles that I want, 3 things to do, principles to share that we can grow in and practice. So one is have faith that you're guided. Have faith in it. Have faith that you are always guided. 2, you're going, am I asking, hey, is it safe for me to drive to town? A thing I'm asking right now. And am I thinking about it through a space of fear or of a space of knowing, a space of wisdom? There's a real difference because fear will second guess. It'll bring a vibration in that isn't in line with the actual guidance itself. Guidance is from a love base. Fear is from a low vibration space, one of the lowest vibration spaces. So that's our principle. Being in alignment with our guidance or our source energy, use the language that works for you. Being in alignment with the rhythm of our authenticity, who we are, and the rhythm of that with the earth, with all things around us, all nature, the Mother Gaia, source energy, the whole package as it just radiates out beyond just our little space. It's being in alignment with that. We often go, well, how do you do that? Well, how do? You do that through intention and through your journey work. Setting the intention to have your physical body, your energetic body be in alignment with your authentic self, with the rhythm of the earth, with the rhythm of the season, with the rhythm of your guidance. So source energy, what your language would be in rhythm with the entire of the collective. Be in rhythm for the highest good. And anything that is stuck or not in rhythm, may that be upgraded or lovingly removed from your energy field or your body, wrapping that in love, letting that go. If you need help doing that, you're like, what is she talking about? Then just reach out to me at janell@janellrae.com and I can walk you through that and help you learn how to do that. That's a process because there's things stuck in us that aren't in alignment. There's a potential of different habits and thought patterns that we've had that aren't in alignment. Okay, cool. But just know that to be in alignment, those things will need to lovingly be upgraded, shifted, whatever is there. There's some different things that can happen or needs to happen or is beneficial to happen. Getting in alignment starts with having that intention. My intention is. Then once you've set your intention, then do whatever healing work or clearing work that is beneficial to do. Asking your questions in faith, and then now using your gifts. Many of us have gifts, the psychic gift, there's an intuitive knowing, there's some people have the gift to influence and work with the weather. There's so many gifts. And if you're like, what does that even mean? How does that work? Well, again, let's talk about that. I do have several courses that you can get some free materials. So just work with me if you want to know your gifts. So reach out, janell@janellrae.com, and let's get you plugged in if you're going, whoa, what are my gifts and how do they work? But again, they need to be in rhythm because if I just use my gifts just all on my own, if I'm coming from a place of ego, they'll be stopped. And we'll be like, how come sometimes my gifts work and sometimes they don't? Well, sometimes we are coming from a place of ego and not in alignment with who we are and who authentically, and then our guidance and for the highest good. So if you're hitting up against that often it's a principle to look for. Am I out of alignment? I've got the gift to work with the weather. I can influence the weather, shifting winds and so on, but I have to be in alignment with the whole collective because it's the whole unit, right, of weather. Faith. Once you've asked the question from a love place and you feel, okay, this is it, then go for it. Don't second guess. Don't let your eyes or any other input sabotage you. Go. Because once you've got that, it's about acting on it and acting now. Touch base. Maybe there's layers to this guidance piece, depending on what you're asking about. Maybe you're asking about a move for your family or a switch of occupations or, some really big decisions. And as you're doing that, it's so important to check in regularly. You get one piece of guidance. Don't think, okay, run with it, because that's a piece. Yes, run with it, make your decision, but check in often. In faith, doing the work. Am I in alignment? Ask your question, get your feel, go. So it's a real time for me right now. It's a real growth space, which we're always in. Don't have any guilt or shame around your growth spaces. Don't think like, oh my gosh, I'm not really achieving anything. I've stepped backwards because I'm feeling this insecurity, this unknowing again. No, that's part of the journey. It's okay. But the principles, faith, alignment, take action, use your gifts, trust your guidance. Take action. This is just like rinse and repeat. And we will have, as we shift up and we grow up, we'll have these moments to grow in this space again. But you're all right. You got it. You're being guided and you're here so that you can learn the next level of it. All right. Love you all. Holding space for your success. I'm holding space for my own as well. Like I said, this is real time for me and I look forward to talking to you some more on this channel. Okay. Love everybody.